Hey guys, we're doing the team draw now for first of the line, immac 1. Random is live, it's 8:54, 57 PM Melbourne time. Dice roll on participants, we're going 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yoink. Team list 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yoink. Random is complete, and this is the team list. And where is it? John Deedham with Magic, Ashley Stomach Man Wolves, Glenbow Rockets, Jeff with Torski Knicks, Sebastian with Cavs, Daly with Pistons and Nuggets, Marcus a lot Jazz, Nathaniel Pacers, Jason Aero Wizards, Lanyon with Bulls, Dees with Sixers, Josh Keith with Heat, Josh Daubney with Spurs, Zach Nichols Kings, Jason Aero Clippers, Blaine with Blazers, Marco with Thunder, Jason Aero Raptors, Chun with Celtics, Nick Powell with Mavericks, Josh Keith with Pelicans, Jason Aero with Bucks, Lanyon with Suns, Hurley with Hornets, Sebastian with Lakers, Charles with Warriors, Glenbow with Hawks, Lanyon, Grizz and Ken Scholl Nets, and that's it.